The word enough is a very commonly used word in English. Unfortunately, it's a very commonly misused word in English too. And the reason for that is it can be used in two different ways. And in this video, you're going to learn to use this word in these two ways. So without further ado, let's dive in with this video, shall we? So first things first. The word enough means that you have as much or as many as needed. For example, if you have an amount of money to buy a car, you have enough money to buy the car. Or if you have got just a few minutes, you have enough time to watch this whole video. In these two cases, I use the word enough before a noun. Enough money, enough time, enough food, enough space, and a lot more. But the thing is, you can either use it before a noun, as I told you, or after an adjective or an adverb. For example, the water is warm enough for a bath. Warm enough, and not enough warm. Why? Because warm in this sense is obviously an adjective, and we have to use the word enough after an adjective. Is your tea sweet enough? I think this lesson is explained clearly enough. And in this sense, clearly is an adverb, and we have to use the word enough after an adverb. Clearly enough, and not enough clearly. And the last example. She has enough money to buy the house. So, she is rich enough to buy the house. And now I have a question, and I want you guys to answer my question. Which one is grammatically correct? A. My room is enough clean. B. My room is clean enough. A or B? Write your answers in the comment section. Thanks for having me here. Don't forget to hit that like button. Take care. Cheers. Bye-bye.